Tucked alongside a lush preserved forest, Casa NG is a celebration of simplicity, nature, and togetherness. Designed for a couple building their family home, this residence invites tranquility while encouraging meaningful connections with loved ones. From the moment you step inside, the house dissolves boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces. The entry reveals uninterrupted views of the forest, creating a sense of infinity. Generous openings and thoughtful orientation of private areas toward the greenery ensure privacy while maintaining a visual dialogue with nature. The ground floor is a stage for gatherings. Living, dining, and kitchen areas merge seamlessly into a gourmet space where family and friends can gather around meals or moments of celebration. The materials, soft stone, walnut veneers, and kumaru wood, enhance the organic aesthetic, blending the home with its natural surroundings. The double-height entrance hall, coupled with expansive living spaces, evokes both grandeur and warmth. Outside, the pool and orchard form part of a landscaping project that flows harmoniously with the home, blending monumentality with intimacy. Every corner of Casa NG is thoughtfully crafted. The versatile interiors cater to the owner's role as a content creator, with ideal angles, symmetry, and lighting for filming. Cross-ventilation and natural light combine with automated systems to ensure both comfort and sustainability. Features such as aluminum slatted panels for shading and a laundry duct connecting the closet to the laundry room add convenience to daily life. Casa NG is more than a residence. It is a serene retreat, a hub for gatherings, and a harmonious extension of its natural surroundings. Designed to welcome and inspire, it reflects the values of its residents: simplicity, elegance, and a life of meaningful encounters. Upstairs, the master suite offers panoramic views of the forest, pool, and sunrise through an L-shaped window. Personalized details, including a concealed ceiling TV and a dedicated makeup room, reflect the residents' lifestyle. This floor also features a fully equipped home cinema, private balconies for each suite, and an indoor garden that brings nature closer to everyday living. What are your thoughts about this house? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more like this.